Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove or replace camera shortcut on lock screen your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First lock your phone and see here, this is camera shortcut on the right side of your phone. Okay, bottom right side, you will see camera shortcut. See here. If you swipe up from here, camera will be directly opened. Okay, you can easily access camera without locking into your phone. Okay, so if you want to remove this shortcut from lock screen or replace this shortcut with another one, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone, then go to lock screen, and here click on lock screen edit option, and here select this camera, click on camera and replace it with another one. Here I replace it with calculator. So now camera is removed and replaced with calculator. Click on done finally and lock your screen now and check now what is available. Just calculator is available. If you swiping upon this calculator, it will open directly. Okay, so in this way you can easily remove or replace camera shortcut on lock screen or phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.